Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today we're making a special catfish soup. Of course, this is like a student version, so in case you're on a low budget in this economy, just make sure that you fly in, and let me show you how to make the best catfish soup in town. So guys, for this particular okra soup recipe, we'll be needing catfish. So I tried to get chicken feet just to spice up things a bit. For people who like chicken feet a lot, we are going to be using it for this particular meal. And then we'll be needing okra for this soup. Take it out. We'll be needing okra for this soup. Lots of okra for this particular soup. And of course, if you like to eat local, you should be able to use local spices. This is locust beans, aka Euro. I bought it fresh, and I'll be using a lot of melon for this particular soup. I hope you get glued to it. And then we'll be needing these guys, so let's jump in and start cooking. And ugu leaf to make it all greenish and all pink. It's okay. Don't worry. So for this, you boil your water. So add salt. I like to use salt to rub on the skin very well. You can turn the camera up. I want to be able to stand up. That's what it does. But if you start cooking, the steam smell will bring them. But because it's water. That's why this is the best time to do contents. Look at that. All those celebrities know this. If you know how many cameramen. So I have to like turn the fish a little bit because I want the water to get to every part of it. So for me, I like to use knife. besties, we will now add our chicken. So we'll have to like clean the fish. After that, you can now focus on. Wash the chicken. Go over because of cannot put in the pot direct. You cannot show the pot. So you show the pot halfly and show. So we had the fish one after the other. Chicken. I'll take it close a bit. The pot. I want the pot inside. Thank you. Who is learning fast? Bring it close. Wow. Since the person is supposed to make them free for us, not they can free. Internet. It's okay, you fast off. Wait. That's what they do. Okay. I'll add a little bit of water. It's okay, let me close this thing. You can remove that back again. So right now I want to start adding my iru. I like to actually wash my iru, you know. Some people do not see the need for it, but I do. Even that chapter, sometimes that table they scatter. I don't watch 3 times. Okay, I'll show this side. You can move it. You can move that. No. I like to cook my iru on time. I want it to be cooked and have that iru smell, because big smell. Aroma. Aroma. I'll teach you the correct this. You're understanding different angles. So I like to mold my melon. Sometimes I like to make it look like I'm kneading a flour, you know. Okay. Thank you. do you know that food, one food can be cooked in 10 ways? Come and show this last side. You can now show the two sides. Food is mostly creativity. If you see, if they serve you a amala for intercontinental hotel, you show. Have you seen where they use Bogiri to do design? We can't ever go when they be rich half cup of beans with fried fish. Come call on 20K for you. Okay.
That's reasonable.
I want to go.
That's the reason of my wedding. I don't want my mother.
See what it looks like. Even camera woman said it, you know. YouTube children will say, she was lost. Is that a Nigerian meal? When they value ask man where they marry for America, waiting with the cook. Now YouTube then they can't ask the question. Sometimes it's annoying.
What will you chop head of fish?
As
I
you
know
ask,
the only head I don't eat is probably like Titus head.
as you ask me now, you know good. As you ask me now, you know good to say you ask me. Why people they eat head of fish?
No, you know you said it that time.
I don't know, my
I don't know the
darling.
reason it said that.
I don't know. Let's test. Our meal. Yeah, show me. Full. That's so sweet. Maybe it's not in the sweetest. What? Skibo, Robo, Skibo. Hey. But the way they used to turn ponds, many of them don't. But if you see it when they are turning it. So, yeah, go first chop belly first for hard work.
Let's chop a goose one.
There's a cheap or sabi.
If you see an okro on this,
I said this chef they use left hand.
you know, scatter fish.
Odogures. This soup is not for babies. Let me come and cover. Yeah. Because I want to lift up the fish. Ooh. My people. Ooh. You see our chicken feet. Oh, what do you? Melissa. I'm back on Instagram supposed to create all these kind of things. We don't just notice me.
No,
I'll do
you said
voice
that Don Jazzy.
And corn. Let me bring my muffin shark food. It's giving.